Good morning, it is Clay Trader from claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. I will do my best to capture trades as they unfold. Market opens up here in about 10 minutes, so I will keep you updated. Alright, the market opens up very soon, and what I'm thinking is this one has such a massive gap down already that it may pull back some more from where I try to hop in right out of the gate, but my theory is that it'll bounce up at least a little bit just because it's already has been beaten down so much from the get-go. So I'm going to try to pick some up at 40.70, and if I can get that, that would be great. But like I said, already way beat down, and maybe it won't even drop down that far. You can already see starting to form some green here. Let me zoom in and make this candle a bit bigger. There we go. So I will keep you posted, and on any sort of continued upwards bounce, I may try to go on the short side. So yep, and there's a bounce there. So just didn't get any shares. But now I should be looking to probably go on the short side, so I'll keep you posted. Going for some shares here of XLNX at 40. If it drops below 40, it should shoot down quite a bit, but it also could act as a support. So there I'm in, and did not hold, but we'll see if it can get back up above it. Looking to sell at 40.15 or build a bigger position down. You can see well overextended now. So I'll try to pick up some more down there at 80 if I can get those. Getting somewhat close. Okay, I got those at 80. Now my average is 39.90. Try to pick some more up at 75 there. And you can see now that I am in the profit here, so I'm going to scale on out, and there we go. So $128 trade. See if I can, if it wants to go back down there, I'm going to start all over again. So let's see. Try to build a position again. Begin at 39.65, so I will keep you posted if it looks like I'm going to get filled down there. Okay, getting somewhat close. See if it can break back down through the 70s. Okay, so I'm in. We'll look to sell at 39.80 or build a bigger position down, whichever comes first. But I like how this is just getting more and more overextended. Try to pick some up down at 39.30 if I can get those. Trying to fight through this 60s right now. They're up in the 70s, 80s are getting hit, and I'm all out for a 15-cent move. I'm going to leave that order down there at 39.30. If it wants to pull back there, fine by me. 39.40. Actually, I'm going to change that to, actually, let's see what happens. That'd be awesome if I could get those at 39. I think I'd try to go for a 20-cent move on that if I could get those. Let's see what happens here. If 50s fall, then I definitely have a chance. You can see 50s acting as a big level of support, as you would expect it. Kind of that half round number there. Okay, there we go. Let's see if 40s can fall. Back up to 50. All right, I'll keep you updated if it looks like the 30s are going to get hit. Going for some shares here at 15. So let's see if it can fall down there. I changed my order. I didn't like the consolidation pattern here. That gave it too much of a rest, so I wanted to adjust it down. Low is 22. All right, I will keep you posted, but I am still watching this one like a hawk. Okay, I actually just changed it to 05. This one's getting pretty crazy, so I want to play more air on the side of Shoulda held, if I would have kept it at the 15, I would have been in and had, you can see here, a very nice move, but shoulda, woulda, coulda. Oh well, I'm going to keep playing it. You can see nice volatility. Okay, going for some shares short here at 220 on PBYI. This is a very big spread one. Pretty high risk, so I'm definitely only going in with 100 shares. I've traded it once already for $50, so I made 50 cents on the trade, but that was just essentially playing the spread. So like I said, going for some shares up at 220. I'll keep you posted and see what happens. It's actually 10:41 right now, so it's been a while since the last update I gave. So here we are getting close. Let's see if we can catch it. All right, I will keep you updated. Okay, sorry about that. I actually missed the entry point. I did get in at 220.50, so I changed it up a little bit. Looking to cover at 220. If I need to build a bigger position up, I will, but right now that's where things stand. So again, in at 220.50, looking to cover at 220. I will keep you posted. Okay, I have a bunch of orders kind of spread around. Still trying to cover at 220, but looking to also add to my position at 223.50 and 224.50. So we'll see what happens with it. Like I said, got to be extra careful with these ones, when the spread's that big. So I will keep you posted, but that's where things stand right now. Let's see what happens here with it. Okay, got my second order, so now my average cost is $222. So now any sort of drop below there, and I am back into the money. So I'll try my first cover at 221.50. Still trying to get some shares up at 224.50. So let's see what happens here with it. There's my order right there. You can see at 221.50. Still got a ways to go, but that's what I mean when I say the spread is very wide. So I'm now best up on the bid, but nobody hit the bid down there, so I did not get any shares. You can see there my order is highlighted right there. People are cutting in front of me, but I'm willing to hang out down there and see what happens. So I'll let it run just a tad bit longer, only at 8 minutes. So okay, I got those, and I'll try at 221.35 now for my second 100 shares to cover. I did not get those. All right, I will pause it and I'll let you know if it looks like I'm going to get filled of these shares down here. Okay, getting close again, but as you can see, people are cutting in front of me. Probably the computers out there that know I have that order sitting right there. So just needs to drop down a tad bit more and I'll be out. There my order is once again sitting right there, so I'm best up on the bid. Just need somebody to hit the bid, and there I am, all out. So now up to 165 trading this one. So like I said, got to be very careful with these. But if you play them right, going cautiously with a plan, that's the key. With a plan, you can really kind of leverage these big spreads to your favor. Maybe I'll try to catch one more trade. Well, I'm just going to wrap things up. About an hour and a half into the day, up 338. So nothing like yesterday's video where I was up 591 in 15 minutes. But hey, that's how trading goes. My attention hasn't been totally focused on trading. We're launching a new site on August 1st. Well, not a new site, just claytrader.com is getting a total overhaul. Going to be a lot more user friendly. But anyway, so I've been working on that a lot. with Nate. So regardless, though, still a good day, still a good way to start the morning, especially on a summer day. So if you are interested in learning how to trade like this, meaning with charts, not necessarily looking to sell within a few minutes like I am, whether you're looking to, that's the great thing about charts, whether you're looking to sell within a few minutes, a few hours, a few days, or a few weeks, because charts measure psychology and emotion, they can be applied to any sort of time frame, and that's the beauty of them. So if you want to learn how to trade with charts, manage your risk, and put the probabilities in your favor, then you can go to claytrader.com, go to the training section of the site, and you will see all the courses I offer. Also have a trading group. You can hang out with me. We have a live chat room. You can newsletter. I send out my scans and such, and just a good value, especially for the money. But at the end of the day, go compare prices, see how my prices stack up, read some testimonials, and just get a good third-party perspective, because I'll be the first to admit I am obviously biased. So anyways, I'll stop rambling on. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something.